As an athletic training student and a student athlete on campus, you really have to prioritize your time. This may mean getting up early to get extra work done or getting up early to get some extra lifting in.
The athletic training program as a student is extremely busy, but can also be a lot of fun. I myself am president of the athletic training club and do a lot to keep the students involved in both academic events and fun events. Most recently, we planned a whole trip to go to the Lake Placid Olympic Training Center to see how the daily lives of different physicians, athletic trainers, and their medical staff work with some of the highest class athletes that someone in our position are able to work. Although fun, that took an immense amount of planning, commitment, and time. I'm constantly moving. I'm always doing something to better improve the program, whether that's meeting with the club, meetings with students, or meetings with different advisors. I find that we're always constantly moving, doing things, whether it's working with athletes or doing extracurriculars in order to better improve our academic stance.
I think one of the biggest parts of being an athletic training student is working on your time management. A lot of times we get up for class at 8 a.m., we're in class until noon, we get a little break for lunch, and then we go do our clinic hours, whether it's down in the AT room or we're going to work practices. And it's really important to learn that those things are going to take priority to pretty much everything else.